right there is already green macaw, also known as green macaw. Now these birds are widespread right towards the coastlands of northern and central South America. And the commercial is started. Let's give a round of applause for flag racing bird, Bandit. So hello everyone, my name is Abad Satanay and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. My name is Vince and I'll be your host for today's show. Now our next featured birds are just like any best friends, but sometimes, right? So are you guys ready for the basketball game? Wait, what happened for your energy? Once again, are you guys ready? Now birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go birds! Now, first ball for Azul Maru, and second ball for both birds, and last ball who's gonna win, and Blue wins this game. That's alright, Azul. So, Trainer Mary, you lost this game. What can you say?
Well, the trainer not ready. We want another round.
Well, they're not ready. They want another round.
Are you sure about that? Do you want to lose again?
Oh, my. So, what do you have in mind?
So I suggest a re-race. Now the mechanics of this game is the first bird who can drop all 3 rings into the Coca Westes is the winner, and that is the re-race.
Okay, our race it shall be. So remember, girls and the boys have 1 point already. This time, let's hear louder for Azul. So are you guys ready for the second round? Alright, opponents ready. Trainers ready. Set, go! Let's go Azul, let's go Blue now. First ring by Blue, let's go Azul. Another ring by Blue, I know what is this. Azul grabs all 3 rings at the same time. What a clever technique by Azul. So Trainer Patrick, we have 3 rings at the same time. What can you say?
Hey, you guys cheated.
Wait, cheat double.
No, I didn't.
So let's give a round of applause for Blue and Azul. Now this time I need 1 adult volunteer with a 100 peso bill. Again, just raise your hand. I need 1 adult volunteer. So if you're not a volunteer, just raise your hand. Anyone? Yes, ate? Kaya na ma-rate ko ang shirt? Sige na. Kuya po rin ni ate, come back into the stage and we will do your money. How about mama? Pwede 50, 20, or 100 pesos. Basta kayo donation. Right now, come back into the stage. Notice most of the birds in the show are parrots. That is because now Blue flies over and gets the money. Now Blue flies back to the table. And guess what Blue wants to? There you go, donate your money. So okay, we're gonna donate your money. Sure. So since something na about is second round, nakakamo ko right. It's all part of the show. We'll be taking your money. But first, Blue wants a picture with you guys for souvenir. So stand right there, please, and follow our trainer's instructions. So pictures are only Blue. Alright, now give us your best smile and pose together with our money bird Blue. So thank you so much, ma'am. Here's your money back. It's all part of the show lang naman. So for a while, please follow our photographer right there. You'll get a free printed copy of your picture. So let's give a round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird Blue. Now this time, I'll introduce you guys to our 3 lovely parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. So first off, we have our green-winged macaw Bandit. Next is our blue and gold macaw Goldie. And lastly, we have our blue-named parrot Yoshi. So you guys will get up close and personal with our lovely birds. So just a friendly reminder, if our birds and trainers will come near you, please do not touch or grab our birds. Again, as they can easily frighten and will bite, please do not touch or grab our birds. Thank you. As you can see, those birds are covered with mostly red plumage. Now their tail and wings are blue and green. So that bird has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. Now Bandit's scientific name is Arachloraptorus. Now Bandit, say hi to everyone. Say hi. How about the other side? Say hello. So guess what? Si Bandit sa iyong trainer. Let's see. Now next up on in Ocean Park, we have three blue and gold buffalo. So that right there is Goldie. And earlier, Captain Aggressive Gold to blue and azul. Now later, Goldie right there will also have her own segment. So guys, if you guys know hi, si Goldie mo hi with that inner shine drive. Say hi, Goldie. Now lastly, there is here. We have our blue game parrot machine. Now blue game parrots are native from Roger Guarino and here in the Philippines. So they're also known as the Philippine green parrot or locally known as pink boy. So nowadays they still provide food, shelter, and a good place to nest. Okay, that's it. There we go, Sergeant Brad. Let's give another round of applause for Bandit. Alright, Goldie, now find us our hidden object. Now Goldie searching, scanning each up. Oh, she's sensing something. And she found it. Let's give a round of applause for our second bird, Goldie. Okay, so earlier we have shown you our parrots. Now this time, let me introduce to you our cockatoos here in Cebu Ocean Park. So around the globe, there are 21 different species of cockatoos, but here we have 3. First, we have our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety. Next is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. And lastly is our Pelucan cockatoo Snow. So once again, you guys will get up close and personal with our lovely birds. So just a friendly reminder, please do not touch or grab our birds. Now let's call in Snow, Tweety, and Nigel. So Trainer Charisse, we have Nigel. With Trainer Kathleen is Tweety. With Trainer Joshua is Snow. Now first up on your right, Trainer Kathleen, we have our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety. Now these birds are going to habitats along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforest. As you can see, they are primarily white with black beaks. And they have a prominent yellow crest. So para siya ang crest ng Tweety. Now the scientific name is Kakatua galerita. Now next up on your left with Trainer Maurice, we have our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now umbrella cockatoos are also known as the white cockatoo or the great white crested cockatoo. That is because of their holy white crest, which wakes up like an umbrella. So, pressing Nigel sa power na siya ang umbrella. So, ang dalawang pair, both Tweety and Nigel, may katalo difference. As Tweety has a yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white crest. Now, Nigel's scientific name is Kakatua alba. Now, lastly, to introduce well, we have our Pelucan cockatoo Snow. Now, Pelucan cockatoos are endemic in the Sarawak archipelago of eastern Indonesia. Now, they're also classified as let's see if nag-audio this is no pagkakabili or nagsige na siya TikTok. Okay, so 15 plus 5 Snow. Okay, mas Snow. Alright, now give us the first number. And Snow grabs number 2. Now, is the first number correct? I'm not really sure ako ba. Again, is the first number correct? Alright, now good start, Snow. Finish your answer up to the second number. There you go, Snow grabs number 0. So 15 plus 5 equals 20, right? Diba? Let's give a round of applause for great wizard, Snow. Belly, Steve Eagle, Abby. These birds are widespread throughout. And the world birds of prey and eagles are widespread throughout the rainforest of Mindanao, where they are locally known as Kada, or the front of the mountain. That is because of their loud booming sound. As a fun fact, these birds are considered as omnivores, meaning not only do they not eat fruit, but also meat and insects. Also, so right here is an excellent food catcher. Alright, so let's show them. Alright, so first and second. Alright, your cameras as soon will show you one last trick in 3, 2, 1. Let's give a round of applause for those people to start with. So, and now lastly here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. Not only do we try to protect our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. So I guess everyone remembers the 3 R's. It's to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now let's call in our Lumberberg once again to show us the proper waste disposal. Just wait for our bird. Once again, let's just wait for our bird. So unfortunately, a lot of animals today are shown in the wild because of pollution and improper waste management. So always keep in mind to reduce waste, reduce plastics, and recycle everything we can. So see if Bandit can do it, then so can we. So ladies and gentlemen, before we end the show, let me invite each and every one to come down here to the stage, and you can have some souvenir pictures with our birds. Once again, after the show, you have the chance to hold our birds and take pictures with them. Now ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me acknowledge the birds and trainers that made the show possible today. We have Ivy Billy up there as our DJ. Trainer Liza with Bandit, Trainer Catherine, Trainer Joshua, and Trainer Reese at the back of the house. So once again, I am Vince. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye! So once again, guys, you can have some souvenir pictures with our birds. You can come down here to the stage.